This is a bottle. This is a jug. This is a glass. This is a teapot. This is a mug. This is a cup. This is a fork. This is a spoon. This is a knife. This is a kitchen. This is a plate.